Hi guys, sometimes your PowerPoint presentations, they just look a little bit dull and you need to dress them up. And there is a feature inside PowerPoint that lets you do just this. It is called the designer. Now, sometimes the designer goes array, it goes missing and you just don't know how to find it. In this very quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find it and how to use this designer to jazz up your presentations. The first thing you want to do is head over to the home ribbon just here, go over to the home tab and then jump all the way over to the far right hand side and you will find designer. Click on designer and it's going to generate ideas based on what your presentation currently looks like. So if you have different images or different things going on your presentation, the ideas will change depending on what you have. But as you can kind of see here, we have a few different options for this. We also have the ability to click on see more design ideas and it will continue to load more ideas based on your presentation. Let's say that we really like the idea of this one here. We'll give it a click and it's going to apply that directly to your presentation. Once you're happy with it, you can go ahead and close and you continue by developing and changing your presentation to suit the new style. If you found this video tutorial useful and informative, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more hints and tips, and I'll catch you in the next one.